Good day everyone, my name is Justin Ray G. Olinaw, and today's video I will discuss the trigonometric function and the unit of circle, radian.
Radians. Radians are another way of measuring angles, and the measure of an angle can be converted between degrees and radians. Learning objectives. Explain the definition of radians in terms of arc length of a unit circle and use this to convert between degrees and radians. Key terms. Number 1. Arc. A continuous part of the circumference of a circle. Second, circumference, the length of a line that bounds a circle. Third, radian, the standard unit used to measure angles in mathematics. The measure of a center angle of a circle that intercept an arc equal in length to the radius of that circle. Introduction to radians. Recall that dividing a circle into 360 parts creates the degree measurement. This is an arbitrary measurement, and we may choose other ways to divide a circle. To find another unit, think of a process of drawing a circle. Imagine that you stop before the circle is completed. The portion that you draw is referred to as an arc. An arc may be a portion of a full circle, or more than a full circle, represented by more than one full rotation. The length of the arc around an entire circle is called the circumference of that circle. The circumference of a circle is circle equals 2 pi r. If we divided both sides of this equation by r, we created the ratio of a circumference which is always 2 pi to the radius, regardless of the length of the radius. So the circumference of any circle is 2 pi equals 6.28 times the length of the radius. That means that if we took a string as long as the radius and used it to measure consecutive lengths around the circumference, there would be room for 6 full strings length and a little more than a quarter of a seventh as shown in the diagram below. This brings us to our new angle measurement. The radian is the standard unit used to be measure angles in mathematics. 1 radian is the measure of a center angle of a circle that intercept an arc equal in length to the radius of that circle. Because the total circumference of a circle equals 2 pi times the radius, a full circular rotation is 2 pi r or radian. So in this video na siya radius, so himo din na siya curve para i-measure sa 1 radian. So 1 radian na siya, tapos other na sa nga 2 radian, 3 radian, and kung half circle na pi radiant na siya kung half circle. Kung full circle equals 2 pi radian. So mo na siya ang comparing radian to degrees. Since we know that the full range of the circle can be represented by either 360 degrees or 2 pi radian, you conclude the following. So ang radiant na 2 pi radian is equal na siya sa 360 or 1. Ang 1 radian equal na siya sa 360 degree over 2 pi times 2. So ang 1 radian equals 180 over pi times 3. So natay example. Convert an angle measuring pi over 9 radian to degrees. First, substitute the angle in radian into above formula. So angle in degrees equals angle in radian. So pi over 9 times 180 degree over pi. So, kay basta na siya 180 degrees over pi, kay ang pi over 9 nara sa 57 degrees. Nara siya sa 90 degrees pa ubos. So, busa na siya ang gamit nga degree ang iyang i-times sa iya kay 180 over pi. So, i-crush out ang pi, then i-divide ang 180 over 9. 180 degrees over 9, busa na siya. Ang answer niya is 20 degrees. So, mo na siya ang angle 20 degrees. And thank you for listening to my discussion.